What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. Thanks for joining me again, and I appreciate the continued support. So today we're going to be unboxing 3 tactical knives from a company called Witharmour. This is my first time dealing with this company. They reached out to me and asked me to take a look at their knives, do a quick review, and of course I said yes. Anytime a company reaches out to me, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to review their products and let you guys know, is it worth your money? So Witharmour, on the back of the boxes, it does give you the website. It's www.witharmour.com if you want to go and check these guys out. This is literally my first time ever dealing with this company, and I just got these in the mail today. So let's go ahead and open up the very first box. We'll sit the other 2 knives to the side. So here's the first box. Inside the box, you do get a little manual that talks about the company. Keep in mind, guys, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing. I'm going to test these out for a few days, and I'll do a follow-up video. So you do get this nice little sheath. And look what we have here. Here's the first knife. Looks pretty nice. This is 440C steel. This one looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and unbox the second knife. That first one was a folding knife. I believe this is a fixed blade. Same thing inside the box. You get some paperwork that tells you a little bit about the company. And it does look like this is a fixed blade. Look at this one. Awesome, awesome. This is the same thing, 440C steel. And then you do get this, it may be a Kydex type sheath. Goes back in. Got a nice little pocket clip as well. So that's the second one. Let's take a look at the third one. If I can get the box open. All right. So the third knife, same thing. You get a little bit of paperwork. So this one is also a folding knife. This one's also pretty nice. I like that color. Okay, so let's put them all side by side. So really interesting looking knives. I'm going to do a full review in a few days after testing these out. But again, this is made by Witharmour. And let me go ahead again and display their website so you guys can go and check them out. There it is right there. And that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching me. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.